What's good with it, gang? Second vlog, second time around the world, you know what I'm saying? This time we gonna be taking you on a trip through my day, a day in the life of retro. Let's get it, y'all. Okay. After I finish washing my face, brushing my teeth, doing my hair, I like to go ahead and make sure I make my bed, man. Got the fit. Come on now, the fit crazy. Yeah, that's the gym fit, plus the work fit. Let's get it. Process of taking all of my vitamins so I can stay big and strong. You already know. Got the, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, she clean. Yeah, sitting on them 24s. Well, they 19s, but I keep them clean, you feel me? We pissy out here. Yeah. I had to stop at the G station, you know what I'm saying? Can't have a clean car without gas. I'm not gonna lie, we was kind of sitting on E. This thing went a lot further than what I thought it would. Your boy works in the real estate field. Pulled up to our first house of the day. Let's give it a look. See what we got in here. Alright, kitchen. Alright, kitchen, 8 out of 10. Dining room, living room, okay. First bedroom. Alright, up the stairs. A little loft, okay, we fuck with a loft. Little primary bedroom. Oh, that thing is huge, okay. Real roomy. Standard bathroom. Ooh, got the Uzi in there. I like the Uzi. Let's get up out of here. At last, we made it to the gym. Alright, yeah, big vibes. Let's get some stretching in. Today is back day. Gonna do some back, some buys. Gonna do a little bit core workout too. Gotta get stretched out first though. Make sure we, we stretching before we work out. Don't wanna pull no muscles. Alright, we're gonna start off with something light today. Something real light. We're just doing a little, a little pull day. A little easy. First set. Ooh, nah, buddy came devious on him. Yeah, broke out the shirt, undershirt popping, custom made by your boy. Let's get it. Yeah, those is all hard fought. Nothing came easy. We gonna need a break after that. Little breather, little text check, We on to the next. Okay, now we on some bicep curls. Looking crazy as usual. Get myself together. Look at that focus there. Come on now. Yeah. Squeeze. Hold up. Flag on the play. That's the yams up. Let me get some yams. Come on, man. What's good on the yams? Come on now. Don't do me like that. Now, originally, I didn't think I peaked, but Now my face is saying otherwise. I definitely am trying to regain focus, regroup after catching the side eye of the yams. Yeah. After relocating, I think I regained my composure. I'm ready to do the next set. Busting them down. I always say a gym session isn't right without the proof of pump. Let's get it. Ugh. Oh yeah, that joint. Nice. Come on, let's see it. What you got? Taking the warm up off. Coming out the warm up. Yeah, that's a big boy right there. He been eating his Wheaties. Woo! Liable to fly away at any time with them wings. Last one and we out. Bow. Ooh wee. Alright, let's hit the road, man. Let's hit the road. You done did what you was gonna do. Let's get it.
And I bitch, I'm loaded, feeling myself. Right now, I'm not myself.
Alright, y'all. We done made it to my secret location. You know what I'm saying? Don't y'all be telling nobody. Hush. Put y'all on game real quick. I know y'all probably seen this shit on TikTok. Just wait. Okay, we here. We searching through the selection. Now, what I want y'all to peep is these price tags. Check how much these joints is running. $7. What? For the Oakland A's? Come on now. Let's see what else we can get into. Okay, the Tokyo, $8. Nah, $6. What? Come on now. $6 for the Hellcat? You know I'm copping that. Come on now, you coming with me. Alright, found a little Death Valley, California joint. $8. Yeah, I definitely want a retrofit. You know that's made for me. Come on now, that's retrofit. Oh yeah. Alright, now we ran across this. Boy, what the hell, boy? I fuck with Cheech and Chong, but nah, we ain't doing that. We ain't. Nah, if you wear this, you OD. Looky here. One more shot for the road. Don't mind if I do. It's another hard one I had to pick up. What's this? A little Orchard mix? What? $3.49. Can't beat that with a wooden bat. Alright, so I think Ross was a success. We got out of there. Only spending $32. Got 3 teas. It was hard too. I thought they was all hard. 3 hard teas and a little snack to go with it. Healthy snack. You feel me? Got some nuts. Pause. Now let's go ahead. See what else we get off into today.
Thinking about you just after college, you went to anything. You feel me?
You was just finna call me, gang?
You said what?
Said you was just finna call me?
My mama was just gonna call you, gang. You know, politics, knowledge, see what you got going on. You feel me? So, see what a real nigga doing for that motherfucker, gang.
I'm showing YouTube how I live, bro, how my days be going, you know what I'm saying? This is part of my daily, you know, I'm out the gate, I always call my brother. I call my brother, you know what I'm saying? Had to hit him with the young call. Hold on, I think I'm missing my exit. I am. Hold on. We done made it back to the cut after a long day of work. Got the fit, Hellcat busting, look even better on person. See what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, Death Valley come through. Yeah. Come on now. Your boy. Busting their ass. Yeah, easy. Too easy for me. Oh, one for the road. Take one for the road, gang. Take one. Always. Boom. Bop. Bow. Alright, you know your boy gotta hop into the lab, crunch some numbers, you know. Look who it is. Yeah. What's good, gang? Yeah, what it do? I got what?
Allergy pill, nigga. We got a barbecue in a minute, nigga. My allergies messed up, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Pollen.
Cuz. What you need, Benadryl or some Claritin?
Nah, Claritin, cuz. Benadryl, cause you sleep, nigga. We got a barbecue.
I need you turnt, cuz. Hey, I'm about to pull through. What's good?
about the barbecue, nigga. You gotta put this chicken on the grill, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Burgers, nigga. Hot dogs, nigga.
Ah, shit. Yeah, I'm definitely come on now. You know I'm pulling up for that one. Yeah. Say less. Say less. Hold up. Let me hit you back.
All right, cuz.
Yep. Say less. Alright, y'all. So while we was off camera, lock this door up. While we was off camera, we went ahead and showered. Got ready for the function. Light the hair down. See what the shit for.
Big jet foot, big jet drippy, big jet
saying?
foot, big jet
Fit head. Fit
big
approved.
jet drippy.
Alright, that's all that matters. To fit hard.
Blocking.
Might hit some little barbecue up. Nah, I'm Alright. Back to the Rizmobile. Alright, y'all. So we done made it. Just pull it down on your boy. Let's see if we can get into it. Oh shit, my boy Rex silly. Yeah, my boy Rex, you know what I'm saying? Avoid whom? Avoid him, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Look who it is. Look good, cuz. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, where the food at? You already know what I'm asking.
My mama knew you gotta come see what I'm working with, nigga.
Oh my god, here we go. Oh. Oh, Rennie, I'm telling. Stop.
Shut up.
You shut up. Shut up. Stop. That butt.
Alright, nigga.
You trying to do what?
See, this side hot, that side good.
It's red. That side cold. I'm trying to figure out why, hey cuz,
It's hot.
why you invite me over here, and there ain't no food on this this thing.
My nigga, cause you were supposed to be helping. You came a little bit, you know what I'm saying, late.
I came late. This is late. How am I late? I don't see no food
Hey,
though.
you know, I looked at a video, bro.
Of what?
I looked at a video, cuz.
Okay.
A cooking video, right?
Okay.
Barbecue. They said to, first off, move the coal to one side, or if you got one of these over here,
Let me see.
move it to one side,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? And it's
Yeah.
like an oven type shit.
An oven.
Yeah, so like.
Oh, the
you cook your
outside would be
chicken
hidden.
so it don't overcook.
Ah.
You're cooking over here, bro, but you're not right here, because it's an oven. It's hot right here.
Yeah, cause
Put
the
your
heat.
hand on there.
I'm not putting my hand on there.
Come on, because it's hot.
Put my hand on there. Come on, cuz. I was thinking about it, like, if I put my hand over it, I can feel that heat though. Definitely feel that heat. What's that? 350 over here, 450. Nah, 500. 500 over there. That's broil.
Yeah, that's broiled, nigga. My mama.
You in class with Chef Rec?
Nigga, and the crazy thing is, this is my first time barbecuing.
No what?
Close this up.
Okay, I'm nervous. I was nervous when you said YouTube. You YouTube something. Now you saying that this is your first time on the ones and twos?
Nigga, you just gotta listen to YouTube. YouTube tell you everything. They tell you move it to one side, bro.
One side.
So then the other side, you
So
feel
the
me, you
other
can lay
side.
your food, so you don't overcook it.
I ain't
Chicken and stuff like that, you wanna put on that cool side to. I'm saying, yeah,
And that's how it's made.
that's how it's made, bro. You don't wanna overcook.
All right. Cuz. Bro, come here. Look at this. Gang.
Yo,
Cuz.
nigga, how did that happen?
What type of YouTuber you done been doing on my damn, bro? That's you and your hot ass fire. You done burnt the hole straight through my shirt. But this dude had this fire on 4,000. Talking about this 450.
We good. We burning.
It do look kind of hot though. It look kind of
We
hot.
ain't burning, nigga, but we burning.
Damn, cuz.
How much you pay for this shirt?
35.
35.
That ain't that bad.
I thought it was more. It
Shit.
ain't got your jeans.
Shut up, nigga. Silly ass.
Jeans cost 200, 250.
Yeah, the jeans is hard right now. The jeans here. I'm gonna let you get the jeans. Get the jeans.
I do. Let me see.
Jeans is crazy, but I got the one player hate. Come on, Papa. What happened, man? You supposed to control your fire, man.
No, you supposed to control it. Quit smoking in the car.
That's because
That was you. I think this was a brand new shirt when I came through. I was like, man, it's crispy. But you know what I'm saying?
It was crispy. Bro, now you're gonna have to burn the whole shirt though. You're gonna have to like put like burns like yeah, on my mama.
Man, cool update, my nigga. He got the, you know, the fire going. I like to see him like nice and, I'm gonna be honest, I like to see mine black and busting open. Let me see. Yeah, you can see them clothes is doing real nice too right now.
Look at these. These ain't no plaything though.
Yeah, that's the real deal that he is getting right. Alright, my boy Rick. Kind of going crazy right now. Damian, what the hell you got on, bro?
Don't worry about what I got on, bro. Don't worry about that.
You ain't gonna say hi to you. You gonna introduce me to your little friend.
Oh, I was gonna wait till you come back so I can do it better.
Oh, okay.
So, well, this is Steph.
Alright, we got a little update here. Chef Rec. Yeah. Woo, now look at that one. That one right there. A couple of them in there that I really like the way they looking. They're coming along quite swell.
Yeah, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
My damn self, nigga.
Oh, what you said? This is my first time out here. Shh. Hold on. Hold the phone. Shh. Nah. Cuz on ahead killed them with this. Put on for the city. Come get your plate. $30. Yep, I'm taxing. $30. Come get it. Let me see what it's hitting for. Hold up. Cuz said I was crazy for taking 2 shaboing boings is what he's calling it. Look, cuz. Pause. Why are you looking like that? Oh, I'm tripping. Let me pray. Right back at it. It's so hot. You probably can see the smoke off of that one. Hot. Let's see what you done done, nigga.
Nigga was in there milling.
Oh, me,
Hungry, nigga. We forgot.
Full forgot.
Man.
How we look? We ain't that. We there.
Yeah,
We there. Come on.
That one still got some time, though.
Pammy, yeah, we there. That one definitely still got some time. It's just now getting, it's percolating back there. You can see it's working. Yeah. My flawless. Hold on, nigga. Here, hold the camera. Shy cutthroat, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you did your thing, didn't put your demo down.
Good day, nigga.
It been a good day, yeah.
Hey, nigga. Had the chicken, nigga, the rice, the hot dogs, nigga, the macaroni, the green beans.
On me.
What else?
Shit, we had it all, cuz big and small. That's how we do it. That's really how we do it. Shit, I'm gonna catch you on the next flip, gang. All right, be smooth.
All right,
Alright, y'all. All in all, pretty successful day. You know what I'm saying? And we even secured the bag. Yeah, got that thing strapped in for safety. Alright. And just like that, the day is over. We back at thecrib.com. It was a good day. Yeah, had some laughs, a little bit of pain. Still a little bit sad about this $30 shirt and caught the burn on him, you know what I'm saying? Caught the burn. It's all good though. We gonna recover. We got 3 new ones today. Joints are hard too. I put y'all onto a little spot. Yeah, I told y'all we was gonna get y'all right. Now y'all can go, but don't be telling everybody. Keep that on the hush. Keep that down low, cause we don't really want to blow up the trap now. Come on, let's be real. But yeah, like I was saying, I appreciate y'all for chilling with me. That was my day. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's get it.